Did you know that you can replace the bulbs inside your car with LED, exactly the same as you do in your home? It's very easy to do, and for most, it's a simple DIY job. Replacing the standard interior bulbs with LEDs will help get rid of the yellowish tinge, give it a modern, crisp look, and take your car into the new decade. It will also help you save energy and indirectly improve fuel consumption. We offer LED interior lighting kits for every car. It's a complete set of LED bulbs specially selected for your car. Just see how easily we replace the bulbs on the Mini Countryman. Just use the tool provided in the set. Open the lamp, and simply replace the standard bulb with an LED bulb. The same applies to the footwell, glove box, boot, or door lighting. The process may be a bit different in different cars, but you will easily find instructional videos for all cars on YouTube. Rest assured, our bulbs are of the highest quality. We are that confident that we offer a 3-year full warranty on them. HQ Automotive is a UK brand, and all bulbs come dimmer compatible and error-free, so there will be no error issues. The most popular colour is white, but we have a few other colours available for you to choose from to suit all tastes. 20% limited time discount on our LED kits only here and now.